If you want to play hardcore mode in Call of Duty Black Ops 7, simply launch the game, and then from the home page, select Call of Duty Black Ops 7, and then from here, scroll down and select multiplayer. Now within the multiplayer options, simply select Find a Match at the bottom left corner, and then highlight the quick play, and then press the filter button. And then first things first, ensure that you deselect all these options. And then once you've deselected them, simply press the R1 or the L1 button and navigate to the hardcore mode, and then choose the mode that you'd like to play. So if it's kill confirm, you can select that. If you want deathmatch, you can select that. And you can also select all of them if you want. So once you select the mode that you'd like to play, simply go back, and then all you have to do is simply select Find a Match, and then choose quick play, which you have selected hardcore, select that, and now it will search for hardcore game mode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.